Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow elephant. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw its two cute eyes. The shape of the head, then his elephant nose that is very long. His elephant ears, they are very big. Now let's draw his body. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our cute elephant, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.